Hey, what's up out there in YouTube land? Let's cut to the chase. So about 2 weeks ago, we did a live stream and we found these headphones as a team. They were 12 bucks on Amazon and they have noise canceling. And I had already reviewed the non-noise canceling version of these and they sounded pretty dang good. And they were like, I don't know, 25 bucks or something like that. How these have noise canceling and they're only 12, I just don't understand it. Spoiler alert, I've already put them on my head. I know what they sound like, know what they look like, but I'm gonna save my opinion so you can see it in this video. Okay, so this is the Tsumbay ANC. This is the TS-BH05 noise canceling headphones. Let's go ahead and unbox these things, man. Hey, you know, for $12, even for $25, man, Tsumbay gives you a really nice unboxing experience, man. Black tie kind of stuff. Then you unfold it right here with that magnetic closure. I mean, yeah, Tsumbay, I don't know how they do it on such a cheap budget, I guess you would say. But let's go ahead and before we pull out the headphones, I did not open this box. Let me see what's in this box. It's more likely some instructions and a USB cable, but we need to check. Could be a case or something, who knows. All right, we got your micro USB, 3.5 millimeter, and your instructions, which I probably won't need. You got some headphones. Let me make sure ain't nothing else in there. All right, headphones, cool. We're gonna put this off to the side because we already got the box up here. So when you put the headphones in hand, super duper mega light headphones and durable. I mean, build quality, these things are nice and thick and mostly plastic. I mean, this is just a little tiny piece of aluminum, man. Oh, maybe it's stainless steel. I have no idea, but it's a tiny piece and it's just there for a little bit of structure. But man, these things seem to be very durable. I don't hear any crickety, cracking, nothing. $12, okay? Then you got your vinyl right here, your headband, which is actually pretty comfortable. I've already put it on my head. It's pretty comfortable because they're so light. And then the ear cushions are super comfortable. Definitely over ear. They engulf your ear. So it's in there getting all the sound, nice and plush. And then on the outside, they went to the extent of putting that vinyl on the side. Same vinyl that's on the ear cups and on the headband it's on the side because it really does mimic the Sony 1000X's, the original version of their noise canceling headphones. You got a little bit of Tsumbay branding, nothing here that bothers me about the branding. You gotta have a brand on there, right? But they did it right. Other companies, take note, little minimal branding. But overall design and build, I can get down with it. When you put them on your head, they do stick out a little bit. They're kind of wide. I don't know if that has anything to do with, you know, how they're supposed to fit on your head, but I'm not a real fan of how they look on my head. But I do dig the headphones as far as the design. Like I said, super durable for being 12 bucks, and I'm floored by this build quality. Noise canceling button, which works on and off. When you have the headphones turned on and off, you can just do noise canceling with no music is what I'm saying. Then you have a volume down, volume plus, which doubles as a forward and back track. Then you have a power button that you hold to press, turn it on, and then it's also a play and pause button. Then you have your 3.5 millimeter and a bunch of mics and whatever. Then you got your micro USB right there. So let me test out this noise canceling again because I remember how they sound, but hold on, let me see. So one thing I wish that the buttons were better separated from the actual ear cup so you can actually feel what button you're pressing. It's not raised or recessed in any way, so it's hard to tell what you're actually pressing. But I am getting some cabin pressure in here, and there's a slight hiss. And it's not even a slight hiss, it's a hiss that you hear from the noise canceling when it's on, and it also thumps when you turn it on. But as far as low frequency noises, it's gonna block some of them out. Not all of them, not even most of them, some of them. This is $12 noise canceling we're talking about here, which is actually pretty dang impressive considering the build quality of these headphones and everything else you get. So I'm gonna turn the noise canceling off. The headphones are already paired because I've already heard them, but let me do another sample because it's been like 2 weeks since I listened to these. Let me make sure I'm giving y'all an accurate description. All right, what was I listening to last? Oh yeah, that TLC, no scrubs. Let's see. Turn them up all the way. Okay, so Yeah, the volume on here does not control the volume on your phone. It's not an advanced Bluetooth version like 4.0 or 5.0. But so you got to turn these all the way up, and then you can control it from your phone or vice versa. Let's see. No, I don't want no scrub. Okay, so let me pause these. So with the noise canceling off, everything is kind of muddy. The bass is thumping. These pack a lot of bass. $12 headphones, man. The bass is thumping. The volume is enough. It's not super loud. It is just enough. It's plenty of volume, overall volume. But everything's kind of muddy. The mids are muddy. The highs are not tingly and bright. But the sound quality is decent. Overall sound quality, you won't be upset with these headphones with the noise canceling off. It's just not the best quality. $12 headphones, right? So let me turn on the noise canceling. I'm like I said, I'm not mad at this at all. Not at all. But let me see. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. All right. Now I remember. Okay. So here's the deal with these. I would suggest you listen to these with the noise canceling on all the time. They're noise canceling headphones and they don't block out all the noise. So you might as well just keep it on, man. Everything gets better. You get probably a 4 decibel, maybe 5 decibel sound boost, overall sound boost. And then the bass gets boosted just a little bit. But the things that steal the show as far as being boosted are the mids and the highs. Now, the highs get much brighter and tinglier. It's like ting ting ting. But the mids, they get a boost, but they sound kind of hollow. So if that helps you with a sound description, the mids, they go from sounding kind of muddy to kind of hollow, where the highs, they get much brighter and the bass gets punchier just a little bit because it already has a lot of bass and thump with the noise canceling off. So I suggest listen with the noise canceling on and you are winning. Low frequency noises, as far as noise canceling, it's gonna block out some. If you're on a subway or a train or a bus or something, you're still gonna hear some of that hum, some of it, not all of it. But dude, $12, $12 noise canceling headphones that look like this, built like this, and sound like this, get out of here, man. You ain't gonna find this nowhere else. Tsumbay, I don't know if that was a mistake on Amazon. Let me see. Let me make sure, because at the time of this video, let's see if they're still, let me see, look at my orders. Orders. Delivered March 13th, blah, blah, blah. Let me see how much they cost. Currently not available. Duh, everybody then bought them because they were $12. All right, so when they come in stock again, you better hope they're not like 40 bucks, because these are easily competing with $40 to $60 headphones, man, seriously. Matter of fact, I would say these can easily compete with some of the $79 headphones that I didn't really like because they cost $79. You get what I'm saying? There are $79 headphones out there that sound really good. You get a lot of bang for your buck. Then you got $79 headphones that are like, man, these should be $40 headphones. These at $12, and even $25 is what I think the other ones cost. These actually compete with, and they compete hard with those $70 headphones that are out right now that should be in the $40 to $60 range. I hope that helps you, but either way, man, with $12 you can buy 2 of these. You can have a throwaway pair, not that you really gonna need them, because I mean they're very durable, it seems like, but $12, you did not waste your money. This is money well spent right here. Noise canceling, good bass, decent overall sound, and I'm still tripping over this $12 thing. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. No scrub.